Hello, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to work in our dictation to end with the lesson. Are you ready? Yes? Here we go. But before, I need that you stand up, listen, and follow the rhythm with your body. Repeat the words and keep the rhythm and act it out. Okay? The purple cow. Okay? Listen. ¿Has visto una vaca morada? Listen.
The purple cow. I never saw a purple cow. I never hope to see one. But I can tell you anyhow, I'd rather see than be one.
¿Has visto una vaquita morada? Creo que nunca, ¿verdad? Vamos a prepararnos en the page number 9. Spelling lesson number 1. Okay, page number 9. Are you ready? Yes, please don't forget to write the due date. Okay, pay attention to the words. Are you ready? Yes? Okay, here we go. The first one is yellow. Yellow. Number 2, yes. Yes. Number 3, river. River. Number 4, year. Year. Number 5, mirror. Mirror. Number 6, arrow. Arrow. Number 7, yarn. Yarn. Number 8, parrot. Parrot. Number 9, yogurt. Yogurt. Number 10, cherry. Cherry. Okay, great job. Excellent. I think that you did a great job. You got it. Hey, you are a hard worker. Congratulations. Have a good day. Bye.